Make a great choice today with the 2016 Sedona. Sedona has the highest safety rating of any minivan on the market. With its comfortable ride, quiet cabin, and seating for up to 7 passengers, the Sedona is a great choice for any on-the-go family and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, fog lights. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.